Hello!
Hi, welcome to ИнстаФорекс TV channel. The economic news will be presented by us, Ekaterina Stikhina
and Tahmina Salamova.
You are watching the overview of the currency and commodity markets for last week.
In what currencies did investors prefer to put in their funds?
The euro lost some of its gains against the US dollar on Friday.
And what was the reason behind these moves?
The currency was pressured today after a terror attack in Paris, which left one policeman dead and two others injured. The overall impact on the shared currency was muted, though. Moreover, the euro jumped versus the US dollar for a second straight week. Late Friday in New York, the euro closed at 1.0728 with a weekly increase of 0.7%. It traded at 1.0717 late Thursday. The US dollar briefly jumped on Friday after Federal Reserve Vice Chairman Stanley Fischer told the public that the economic weakness seen in the first quarter was likely temporary and that the Fed would proceed with raising interest rates. Investors have grown increasingly anxious since the US reached the limits of the legal authority to borrow back in March, worrying that the same factiousness that prevented President Donald Trump from passing his plan to repeal and replace Obamacare might also stymie a debt selling accord. Meanwhile, the pound sterling finished the week at 1.2800. The British currency has outperformed every other currency in the G10 last week as UK Prime Minister Theresa May received Parliament's approval to hold an early general election in June. For the week, the sterling gained 2.3%. However, Friday's weak retail sales report was waning on the British currency, as price increases fueled by the pound's recent depreciation have caused Britons to rein in spending. That is all about movements in the Forex market. What trends were seen in commodity markets last week?
Crude oil lost some ground and gold was strong enough to finish the week in the green zone.
Why did oil weaken?
The latest weekly rise in active oil rigs in the United States offered another sign of excessive production. It raised doubts that the OPEC will agree to extend its deal into the second half of the year. In June, West Texas Intermediate crude lost 2.2%, closing at $49.62 a barrel in New York and notching a weekly loss of 7%. June Brent crude futures in London dropped by 1.9% to $51.96 a barrel, and in the week with the same loss of 7%. At the same time, gold prices rallied on Friday due to investors' uncertainty ahead of the first round of presidential election in France. Gold futures for June delivery rose by $5.30 to settle at $1,289.10 a 3 ounce on COMEX. Friday's jump helped the metal finish the week higher by 2.5%.
Ekaterina, thank you for your review of the commodity market. You watch the weekly review of foreign exchange and commodity markets on ИнстаФорекс TV channel.
With us, Tahmina Salamova
and Ekaterina Stikhina.
Good luck and goodbye.
See you soon.